Let's make the Myers Rum Old Fashioned. Hi, I'm Jer. Welcome to Kill-Divill, where we focus on rum and cocktails. Today we are going to make the Myers Rum Old Fashioned. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you're returning to the channel, welcome back. In either case, I hope you like this drink. The beauty of getting a recipe off the Myers Rum website is that they don't have any fancy names. They just tell you what it is. Myers Rum Old Fashioned. Makes it really easy to figure out what it is. The bad part about getting a recipe off the Myers Rum website is that they use the term parts in 2 of their 3 recipes. In some cases, parts make sense. If you're doing something like a rum and coke, parts versus parts makes sense. But if you're doing parts mixed with other designations, other units of measure, then it becomes very complicated. And their Myers Rum Old Fashioned is one of those where they mix parts with real units. And that annoys me. A note on the rum. If you're going to make the Myers Rum Old Fashioned, you kind of have to use Myers Original Dark Rum. You can use another rum in this recipe if you'd like, but then you're really not making their proprietary recipe. We are going to be making this drink in the glass. And to start, we're going to get some sugar. 1 teaspoon of sugar. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. I'll double check that. If I'm wrong, you'll see the subtitle down below. Next, 2 to 3 dashes of bitters. And they don't specify the type of bitters, but I'm going to assume Angostura, and I'm going to put 3 in. Next, water. It does say just enough water, which is not a measurement, so I'm going to put in 1 teaspoon and call that good. 1 teaspoon is 5 milliliters. Now, they say stir until and crush until the sugar dissolves. That sounds like muddling to me, so I'm going to muddle in the glass. I'll be right back with you. Okay, I'm going to say that's good enough. Now I need to get some ice. They say a couple of ice cubes, which is great. I'm going to get a fancy ice. You don't have to use fancy ice, but I'm going to get one. Right back with you. Okay, these are my fancy silicone molds. They're shaped like skulls. They're from my friend Will. Thank you, Will. I'm going to pop that in the glass. Next, I'm going to add 1.5 parts of rum. And I'm going to assume at this point that 1 part equals 1 cup, which is going to be 1.5 is going to be 12 ounces, which is going to be 360 milliliters. I'm just kidding. 1 part is going to be 1 ounce. So 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters. And they don't say to stir, so I'm just going to garnish. Garnish is going to be a twist of orange. See how well I can do this? Oh, I am getting better. Express, wipe, and drop, and 1 maraschino cherry. In there like that. And there you have it, the Myers Rum Old Fashioned. Drink with good spirits. Question of the day. How big is a part? Should I have used a cup instead? Let me know in the comments down below. Note that there are ways to support the channel if you're so inclined. I have t-shirts. If you want a t-shirt, you can have one. Contact me through one of the social media links down below and we'll make sure you get a t-shirt. And while you're at the social media link, you might as well follow me or subscribe or whatever you do on those things. Finally, if you made it this far, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, give me a subscribe, turn on notifications so you don't miss out on anything that I do. And until next time, cheers.